Hi, I'm Jake from Holden's in Norwich, and this is the all-new Bigster. So at the front of the Bigster, we have full LED headlights, a big bold front end design, and parking camera and parking sensors, depending on the model. The Bigster also features 18-inch alloy wheels. We do have them going up to 19 inches as well. Under mirror cameras depending on model. And on this extreme variant, we have modular roof bars allowing for ease and on-roof loading. At the back of the Bigster, we have a new rear light design, parking sensors and rear camera. And the vehicle is available with a powered tailgate on the Journey specification. This one being the Extreme, it is a manual tailgate, but we have a great expanse in the back for all your needs. You join me now from the inside of the Bigster. We have the wireless smartphone charger, 10-inch touchscreen display with sat-nav built in, and first for Dacia are the dual zone climate control, and we also have an opening panoramic sunroof. In the rear of the Bigster, we have Dacia's U-clip mounts available to purchase as an accessory. We also have the 40-20-40 split on the rear section, exposing cup holders and smartphone holder as well for rear passenger. The Bigster is available with the 1.2 mild hybrid turbocharged engine, giving 130 horsepower with the 4x4 variant and 140 horsepower with the 4x2 variant. It's also available with the 1.8 full hybrid automatic engine, giving 155 horsepower and the amazing WLTP figure of 60.1 miles per gallon. The Bigster starts from £25,215. Please call the team at Holden's to register your interest now.